How many people are gonna be there?
7?
Elijah gonna be there?
No, he's not friends with Vic.
No?
No. Why would he be friends with Vic?
Did I just run over this thing again? No.
It's gonna be me, her, our friend Bree from ACS, and the rest are her BCI friends, Kalani, Girl, Roland, and Amy.
It's iced tea.
Iced tea's the best. I could drink like 20 of these, but I'd be fat.
You know, there's this guy on, I think it was TikTok. He took regular iced tea, right?
Yeah.
Or even tea. Iced tea or tea, don't matter. And then you take a spoonful of peach jam,
Yeah.
and then you stir it in, and then it ends up tasting like Snapple.
Like Snapple? Oh.
Snapple, yeah.
I know how to make this, but it's too much work because you put like tea, add some lemon juice and some sugar, but still I'd rather this. I like the preservatives.
It's so easy to make that. So yun, we just dropped off my daughter at her friend's house. Sabi niya, Daddy, don't pick me up until like 10 p.m. 16-year-old girls, you know. Ayun. Ang hirap bitawan pero no choice. Lahat tayo tumatanda, di ba? Nung bata ako, ganyan din ako eh. Kung tutuusin, mas masahol pa nga ako nun eh. Di na ako umuwi eh. She's a good girl, you know. She doesn't do anything without our blessings or our permission. So, nakakagulat. I guess we did, meron kaming ginawang tama along the way, kaya may respeto siya sa amin. But it's so much harder magpalaki ng babae dito sa Canada dahil, lalo na sa amin, I guess, dahil overprotective ako eh. Wala kaming masyadong babae sa pamilya. You know, there's my cousin, there's my sister. That's it. Lahat kami puro lalaki. Kaya pag nagkaroon kami ng babae sa pamilya, it's different. The way we treat them, unfortunately, masyado kaming overprotective talaga. You know, but I guess, tama yung sabi ng madami. Basta, kaibiganin mo. You know, pero wag niyang siguraduhin, wag kakalimutan na merong linya na dapat hindi niya lagpasan, di ba? Like magkaibigan tayo pero at the same time respetuhin mo ako, and wag mo akong kakalimutan na I'm still your daddy, right? And that's the kind of relationship my daughter and I have. In many ways nakakatakot because man, yung utak na itong babaeng to, manang-mana yung utak ko. Kaya lagi ko sinasabi sa kanya, hoy, bago ka magsinungaling sa akin, tandaan mo, alam ko na iniisip mo 14 steps ahead. Ayaw na ayaw yung sinasabi sa kanya yun eh. But it's the truth. It's the God's honest truth. Kakatakot talaga. Kakatakot and comforting at the same time. Comforting dahil alam ko, lista yung utak nito. As in, how do I say sa Tagalog? Gising yung utak niya. And I'm very proud of that. I'm very happy na ganun siya. They say it's gonna get worse, you know, dahil 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, those are like the rebellious years, right? But I'm gonna do our best, kaming dalawa ni Mrs. para, you know, gumanda at lumakas lalo yung relationship namin dito sa babaeng to, while, you know, protecting her and making sure na yung mga decision na gagawin niya is aligned with proper morals, diba, and values. That's it. Mahirap maging tatay, mahirap maging magulang sa dalaga dito sa Canada. That's why it's best to just build the best relationship that you can with her. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Walmart, guys. So, yeah. Baby, 124. 120. 124.
I don't know what I said. You said I think.
Do you want one or no?
Yeah, try one. Because it's this good.
Okay, I'm gonna get one for 124. Hey, how many of those do you need? Ito guys, si misis ko, sobrang hilig sa ganito. Dahil nung bata daw siya, hindi siya nakakabili nito sa National Bookstore dahil sobrang mahal, di ba? Isipin nyo, $15.98, $16 ang isang ganito. So, nung she started working at the bank, right? Medyo kumita ng konti. Sa tuwing makakakita siya ng mga notebook na mga ganito sa tindahan, bili siya ng bili. Pero dati, piso-piso lang to sa dollar store. Ngayon, isipin nyo, $16 each. So, dun sa office niya, meron siyang isang cabinet, puro ganito lang. Puro ganito. Oh my God, ba't ganun? Sobrang mahal. Ito, $10. Dami niyang ganito. Kasi sobrang dami. Sabi niya, good luck daw yun eh. Anyways, doon siya sumasaya. Dati nung nasa eskwelahan ako, oh my God, sa dollar store lang kami pinupunta ng mami ko eh. Ito, tigpipiso lang yan, no, yung mga ganyan. Ayan, $9 na. Oh well. Yung barbecue nila nakalabas na, oh. Oh, look at this. $198. Not bad. It's a good sign pag nilabas nila yung mga pang-summer equipment nila dito sa Walmart. Ibig sabihin, malapit nang matapos or tapos na yung winter, eh. Ito guys, so $348. Not bad. Ito gusto ko. The Blackstone. Can you imagine, luluto kayo ng breakfast dito? Yung burger nyo, yung mga itlog, yung mga pancake. Meron ganito sa Costco. Tigpa 500 din, pero mas malaki yata. So this is $517, $600 dati. Naka-sale siya. I like this a lot. Kaya lang problema kung bibili ako ng ganito, kakalawangin lang sa likuran namin to eh. I'll cook on it once and that's it. Here's another one, guys. The Austin XL. $800, $797. Oh, look at that. Pit Boss. I like this. Pang summer. Grabe, ayos to. Napakaganda. Tignan pa natin kung ano natin sa likuran nila. Ito gusto ko. So ito $1,000, $997, pero merong siyang mini Blackstone tapos barbecue on the left. Smoker pa, ayos. Pero $1,000. Ay naku. Pero sobrang ganda nito. Kung mahilig kayo magluto-luto sa backyard, ayos yan. Ayos na ayos yan. You know, Pit Boss. Ay, naku. Ito, trip ko din to. Madaming magandang product yung Pit Boss, eh. Look at this. Yeah. This is $850. Oh, sorry, $750. So, for an extra $250, yung isang modelo. Yung kanina, meron dito sa gilid na pang barbecue. Ayos din. Oh, look at this. Mini Blackstone. Oh, gusto ni Kuya po to. $300. Wow, not bad. This is perfect. Oh, baka mabili natin ito. Gas-powered siya. Baka mabili natin yan. Ikot muna tayo. Ikot pa. Sobrang daming choices, guys, oh. Ito medyo malaki. 447, so 450. Medyo mas malaki ng konti siya, yan, oh. Blackstone. Ay, nako, delikado yan. Ito, guys, nandito tayo sa backyard department. Ayan, oh. Ganda ng mga set niya. Pero ang mamahal, pinakamura, Itong $498 na to, napakaliit naman. And if you want to upgrade to a bigger one, ito 1,000. Now it's 888. Ito, ayos na ako dito eh. Pero ang mahal pa rin, 448 kung bibilin mo yan with tax. Mahigit 500. You know, napansin ko guys over the years, ang dami ko ng set na nabili for the backyard, yung mga wicker dahil doon ako mahilig, right? And I've noticed, mas maganda kung bibilin mo na lang ng used sa Facebook Marketplace or maghihintay ka pag winter pa. Dahil pag winter mura, di ba? Pag bibili kayo in season, siguradong mahal. But you know what? Asa sa'yo na yan. Ako, ayos na ako sa used. But ang daming gaganda dito. Ito guys, exercise namin ni Mrs. to. Meron kaming pinuntahan na client and malapit na sa Walmart. So, ito exercise namin, lakad-lakad kami. Problema lang, mahal na exercise to. Because, if you can see my cart, that's already $100 worth. But it's okay. Paminsan-minsan lang kami lumabas eh. Lagi kami nasa bahay eh. Yeah. Oh, meron na silang Nex? No way. So guys, dito ako bumibili ng mga gamit ko tsaka sa Giant Tiger. Dahil tig sa $7, $10 yung mga t-shirt. Mex used to be mahal na brand yan. Meron na sila sa Walmart ngayon eh. Yan o, yung Mex, nung kabataan ko, sobrang mahal yan. Well, let's go find some food. Ano ba kailangan natin sa bahay? Meron ba tayong kailangan? Lahat ng Walmart ngayon, guys, meron ng Asian department eh. And dito sa amin, believe it or not, yeah, madami tayong gulay. We have everything. You don't need to buy any of that. Yeah, there's spinach at the house. Like I was saying. Did you ask for mushroom soup? Go check here what they have. HBC. Asian aisle, guys. You got brown sugar. Magkano yung UFC? Oh my God. You go to the Filipino store, this is $5. You go to Seafood City, this is $5. $2.97 here dito. I don't need one, we still have it. We still have it. Hey guys, kung gusto niyo ng UFC, huwag kayong pupunta sa Seafood City. $5 doon, dito $3 lang. We have chili oil, Ach. We got lots of chili oil. Oh, yung hoisin. Baby, the hoisin. So we need this. Kita niyo yung bagoong dito, $9. Dun sa Seafood City, it's $12. Mas mura dito sa Walmart. We need, is that hoisin? Oh, the hoisin should be over there somewhere. I'll go get some. Ano pa? Let's go there. Ito yung pinaka-busy na aisle dito, guys. Oh. What Aurora? The bouillon? Maghanap ka. Mga guys, ito yung pinaka-busy na aisle dito sa Walmart namin. Kung tutuusin, I don't need to go to Filipino store sa Hamilton or Mississauga. Kung may emergency, dito na lang ako pupunta, mas mura pa. Guys, alam nyo to? Maling. Nung bata ako, binibili to ng mami ko. Pag pupunta ka sa Seafood City, this is like $8. Dito, $4.97 lang. Yes! Tapos yung paborito kong sardinas, wala na kami. Kukuha ako ng dalawa. Corned beef, pang dala sa Pilipinas.
Babalik ka ng dati kung may corned beef.
We have corned beef there, I know. I just organized the cabinet. I did. Pansin nyo guys, si Mrs. Pag nasa Walmart, tuwang-tuwa. Every other word that comes out of her mouth, kumuha ka ng ganun, no? Kumuha ka ng ganito. Ito pa, kunin mo to, kunin mo yun, tsaka yun. Para nakawala eh. Babaw ng kaligayahan, no? Walmart lang, tuwang-tuwa na.
Ano, burger dyan? Sa burger?
You wanna go get some burgers? Okay, let's go, let's go. Let's go Burger King. Sandali daw. Para nakawala. Oh, look, oh. Recording in process, oh. Ayun, oh. Ayun guys, tapos na yung Walmart namin. Nakamagkano ba si Kuya Puto? Receipt reveal, oh. Oy, napunta. Gusto mo makamera ka? Maganda ka naman, di ba? No, hindi. Ayun na si Mrs. ko, yan.
Hi.
So yun, ito yung receipt reveal namin. Dahil bihira kaming makalabas, kaya si Mrs. ko, pagkasama ko, parang nakawala sa cage. Sa hawla. Kung ano-ano, tinuturo, tuwang-tuwa. Kahit meron na kami sa bahay, bibilin pa rin dahil iba lang ang kulay. Yun ang problema ko dito, but it's okay. Anyways, ito yung resibo namin. Naka $145 kami. Not bad considering ang dami naming nakuha, di ba? Punong-puno yung cart namin. Pero, out of that $145, yung $40 meron akong gift card. So really, 105 lang ang binayad ko. So ngayon, gagawin namin, pupunta kami sa Burger King. Doon kami magdi-dinner. Yun guys, magdi-dinner kami ni Mrs. dito sa Harvey's. Pupunta sana kami sa Burger King, kaya lang wala akong coupon eh. Pero nakakita ko dito, you know, Harvey's. You can dine for $19, $18.99. Nakakainin namin ngayon. Let's go, baby. Uy! Look at the table, baby. I never. Okay.
Hi there.
Hi there. Can I redeem this, please?
You want any cheese bacon at least?
No, it's okay. Can you make one of them fries and one of them onion rings? Actually, these. Yeah, the poutine, right? Can you still upgrade to a poutine? How much is it?
$2.50 upcharge.
Per order, right?
Yes.
Okay, make them both poutine.
Both poutines? And the pound drinks are okay?
Yeah, that's good.
You don't want the wrinkles?
No, I want a poutine. And can I get this?
The 2 apple pies?
Yeah.
And would you like to add a side of beef and pickles today for $3?
That's okay, thanks.
So $30.49.
Visa. What do you want to drink, Watch? What do you want to drink?
Here's your pound drinks, but I'll tell you wait.
Thank you.
I'll be down here.
Come on, come on. Dr. Pepper.
Extra jalapeno, just a few pieces. And some more butter. And that's it. And mayonnaise. Some more black olives. And mayonnaise. And then mayo. And that's everything.
Thank you. Okay, can I get garlic mayo? Can I get some tomatoes? Lettuce? 2 pickles? Some olives, please. And squirt some chipotle on top. And can I please get on the side some olives and some jalapenos also?
On the side?
On the side?
That's everything on the burger?
Yes, thank you. That's good, yeah. It's okay. And some jalapenos, please. And a little thing of garlic mayo also. Thank you so much. You have a good day. Oh, yeah. Apple pie. Thank you. Thank you. That's good. Ay, like a piece here. Ayun guys, nandito kami sa Harvey's ngayon. And this is dinner time. Gusto nyo makita kung ano binili, kung ano in-order namin. Ito guys, tinan mo. Ayun, so we have poutine. In-upgrade namin yan. It's $2.50 extra each.
Yung camera mo.
Ito, i-edit.
This
Yan, that's poutine. Yan. Yan. This is my Angus burger. That's her Angus burger. Meron kaming tatlong sides. Tapos dalawang apple pie and dalawang drinks. Dinner na namin yan. So this altogether was $30.27. Not bad for dinner, right? So ito, kakain tayo. Yan, lagay natin dyan yan. Is that yours or mine? May pickles ba yan? Wala.
No, this is just
Okay, good. Tikman natin itong fries nila guys. So, ito. Regular fries lang dapat ang kasama na itong kambong to. Kaya lang, like I said, pina-upgrade ko, right? Yun yung burger ni Mrs. Yeah.
I just want the olives and the black olives and tomatoes.
Yun. Ito guys, poutine.
Yummy.
Masarap. Masarap siya.
Did you show where you are? Yeah, it's Harvey's.
Alam niyo ba? Ay, ba't nawala? Yun. Alam niyo ba, napakahirap makahanap dito ng fast food place na masarap ang poutine. And Harvey's is probably the best place kung gusto niyo ng poutine. And without going to a restaurant. You know, yung sarap po. Yung mo.
Yummy.
Masarap siya. Hindi sila kinuripot yung cheese. Usually, mga poutine places, kinukuripot nila yung cheese. That's my Pepsi, yeah. Ako Pepsi, si Mrs. Root beer. Let's try the burger. Yan yung laki yung burger nila. Tikman natin. As you can see, kumuha ko ng extra olives. Tsaka extra jalapeno. Dahil paborito ko. Let's take a bite. Masarap. Kasi masarap. Jalapeno.
Burger nila.
Yeah. Maganda dito sa Harvey's guys. Nakikita mo, niluluto nila yung burger patty sa harapan mo.
They use the same burger at the restaurant.
No. Meron kaming kilala. Binebenta sa amin yung the same burger patties na ginagamit nila dito. Binebenta sa amin ng $60 yung isang buong box. Sarap. Napakasarap.
Gumagawa. Ang bagla pa rin. Nakita mo ba?
Pag summer nga pala guys, ilalakad namin itong Harvey's na to mula sa bahay. Kami ni Bunso. So tuwing merong coupon na kami nakukuha dun sa mail, dinadayo namin to because, you know, tastes good. It's relatively cheap. And it's close to the house, di ba? Ayan. Sarap. Jalapeno. Yan. Ito naman, oh. Ito yung apple pie nila. This was $2 for $3. So, $1.50 each. Mainit pa siya. Ayan, oh. Subukan natin. Masarap siya. So, overall, for $30.27 or whatever it was, sulit na sulit. Sulit na sulit for dinner. Okay, let's Kuya Puto out. Kain muna tayo.